Hello everyone, here's a video on how to change language in Vidmate. Firstly, open Vidmate. In case if you don't have it, then here's the official site to download Vidmate, as it isn't available in the Google Play Store. After opening Vidmate, in the bottom part of your screen you can see 5 options like Home, Source, Game, My Files and Me. Then you need to go to Me. A lot of options will pop up on your screen, where every option has their own role for the app. Among all of them, you need to select Settings. Going into Settings, you can see Content, Download, Push Notifications, Others and About Us. Likewise, you need to pick content from it. Getting in through content, you can see the option what we are searching for in the first one, that is language of Vidmate. Selecting it, you can change language as you prefer. There's a bunch to choose from. Pick the one you love and wait for it. Vidmate magically updates itself. Since I got English language in my Vidmate, let me change it into Hindi. Boom! You are now using Vidmate in your new language. Easy, right? Now go enjoy your favorite videos in the language you love. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech tips, and drop a comment below. What language do you use on Vidmate? Let me know.